Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I have another Amazon nail art haul. So first of all, I ordered like a few things, but I want to get this stuff done with. So these are the LED UV flashlights that have the little nail stamper in it, so hopefully that'll help me out. And it came with these little lids, which I think is cute, and it came with the extra stamper. And it came with these two, I don't know what they are. I think they're used to take, I think it's like polygel or something off. Or maybe it's used to get the stuff off the stamper. I'm not sure, but I can't wait to use these. And then this is just a clear sticker book, and I ordered these stickers. I have other stickers, like nail art stickers, that I need to put in here. And then I got this pack of flowers. They just look like this. I don't feel like taking them out of the package. I may consolidate some of this into like 2 containers, and I may do it by color. And then I ordered these paper flowers. I think it's paper or cardboard. I have everything linked down below, but I can't wait to use these. And then I got these 2, not dotting tools, oh my god, where are they? Rhinestone pens, like where you pick up like the rhinestones and stuff. These are like way bigger than I expected them to be. I originally had one, and it was like half the size, and it was smaller, but I don't know what happened to it. But this comes with a pair of tweezers. So this will be like the 80th pair of tweezers that I've gotten out of like kits, like nail art kits. And then I've got these 2 flowers. Oh, and when you put them in the UV LED, they change color. So I'm gonna write that like on the back of here. So when I go to use, I might write on the lid. So when I go to use them, I might just put like UV/LED, so I know to check it before I use them. I thought these were very adorable. These are like way smaller than I expected them to be, but I guess that's all right. I could use these on my toes, like the small ones, which will be fun. And then I got this thing of chain. There's like pearl, I think that's AB rhinestone. So I'll take this out of the packet and show it later, along with the stickers. And then I needed nail art brushes, like the ones like this. I don't know what happened to mine that I had. They've disappeared. The only thing I can think of is they may have gotten mixed up with all my acrylic paint brushes. But there is another set of nail art brushes I've been eyeing and looking at that I may purchase. Oh, these come with like, no they don't. The ones I was looking at had the brushes and they had dotting tools on the end, but I already have dotting tools. And then these, oh my gosh, this is the main things I ordered. So there's like bows, pandas. This, I think this is from some anime. There's like bears, lollipops, paw prints, cinnamon roll. There's all these different anime characters. I'm gonna take these out of the plastic in a bit and fully show it. But I like the whole Lotso bear. And then the little bunny rabbits. Those are elephants, Winnie the Pooh. The Mickey Mouse M&M. that's, yeah, that's My Melody. More of these. These are way tinier than I expected them to be, because the ones that I've seen online were bigger than this, so I guess that's fine. And then here's another set. These are like the little girl faces that are blowing bubbles. More bows. I forgot the name of this one. And then there's like a different set of bears. So I plan on putting like items with like items. So I'm going to take everything out of the packages and show a closer look. Didn't even press play. Okay, so here's a close-up of the rhinestone chain. So we get like 2 pearls, 2 different colored ABs, and 2 of the clear. And then these are the flowers that change color in the UV LED. And then here is a close-up of the charm boxes. So these looked way bigger online. Like I was just expecting like a way bigger box. Like I was expecting a box the size of these 3, but apparently not. I guess that's fine. So here you can see the elephants. These are rabbits. Lotso. This is supposed to be Pooh. Some bees. More Disney. So I'm gonna be consolidating a bunch of this into one container. I mean, not one container, into like items with like items, because I have like 3 things of bees, 3 things of the lollipops. So I'm gonna be handling that, or I may just take the bows. I was also thinking of possibly taking these bows and the lollipops out and putting them into like a container. Like I have containers like this that are empty, so I may be putting them in there, which I think I might actually do instead, so I can just consolidate hopefully these 3 containers into just 2, and I could use like another one for like other charms and stuff. So here's more of the flowers. I should probably just, I'm gonna take these 2 things out of the containers and show. So here is a close-up of the flowers. I'm thinking I'm gonna sort through all of this and like put it all by color, because I think this and this one are technically the same one. So, and then here's a close-up of the cardboard ones, or the paper ones. So that is it. Oh no, I'm gonna take these out and show this next. So here is a close-up of all the nail stickers that I got. A majority of them are butterflies. These are actually my favorite. I might use some of these and put them on this hand, because there's nothing on there, and I don't really plan on doing that hand. But I liked how this had like flowers and the cute arrows and little sayings and the little bubbles. And then there's these. Oh, this one has roses. I didn't notice that in the photos. Oh, and the little words in cursive. And this one, that looks like musical stuff at the bottom, maybe. So this is it for my haul. Thanks for watching. Bye. So I just wanted to add this last minute purchase that I made that finally came in. And this is what they are. I will admit this kind of took a while to get in, but there's supposed to be like roses, butterflies, and all these other little charm thingies in here. So I'm gonna fully take it out and show. So here's a close-up of the roses. Oh, they're just not roses. There's like different types of flowers and butterflies in it with little pearls and looks like micro beads in here too. So thanks for watching. Bye. I just want to get on here real quick and show everything that came in these sets. So these were the sets of flowers that are like all mixed. So you can get a clear picture. So these right here is the same flower but in black. These are two different types of mixed flowers. And then there's like, I put all the roses over here, and these are different colored butterflies. And then I accidentally mixed up my pearls. I was able to sort out the pink ones, but I haven't been able to fully sort all this out. And then I mixed up the silver and the gold micro beads.